Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in the previous video in the Angular, I have shown you how you can create a login form or sign up form. And for that one, I have told like I need to create a backend data as well. So how you can save the data to the backend. For that one, first we have to create a table in the database to store the data. So let's start. If you have already in your laptop SSMS, so you can directly open it. Okay. So first, before proceeding further, if you are new in the database, so I will tell basic things over here. Before selecting this one, you have to create a database. If you have already database, that is well and good. If you are sure about which database you want to create a table. If you are not sure, then you have to create a database and database name. So I'll type as a demo. So you can click F5 or you can execute this command. So I will click on execute a command. So here, if you open this drop down, now the demo is got created and expand this database. Here you can see the demo database is got created, right? And then the second is you have to select the database, right? So either you can type as a use database name or you can select from the drop down. Okay, so I will type as a use, so directly it will get selected over here. Okay, once you have done this one, now come to the next part, how you can create a table. So let's create a table. So I will type as create table name. So I will type as students and then open this bracket and close this bracket. So if you know the property which and all data you are going to set in the DB, so I will tell, for example, if you have a student ID, name, and mobile number, and is active. In this case, you are not going to use the student ID to save the data and is active. So these two data I am going to save in the backend. For this one, I am using a student ID. So let's copy this one and paste it over here. Okay. So here that student ID I am using as the identity, so that will be as a primary key. So based on the under the user entry, so that ID is gonna be generated. Okay, that will be the unique ID. And is active, I am going to take it for the get API. Whether if you don't want to show some data based on soft delete or something, so that purpose I am using is active over here to filter the data. And these are the two value I'm going to insert in the table. So I have make as a name as a n varchar, so that's make as a string. And I have selected as a max entry, so the username will be anything as the one. And the mobile number I have selected 13 digit if they want to keep, or you can make as a max and you can handle that one from the UI. Okay, once you have written this one, then you select all this and click on execute. So your command is got executed. And now type as a select star from the table name. So which table I have created? This table, right? Copy this and paste it over here. Select this query and execute it. So here you can see these are the column which is got inserted over here, right? So if you want to see this one, okay, I'll open in the new query window. So I will type as the same select queries, select star from, then user, not user. Inside this user, I have a table name. Table name is student ID. So okay, the table is got deleted, I think so. Let me check where it is on. This one having the data. Okay, let it be. So let's come here. And if the data is there, so what I will do, I will go to the backend. I will make some configuration. So I will show you how the data is getting saved. Okay. So let's come to the backend. So I will run this query as a student. Here I have a controller. So in this controller, I am going to open this save student data. So let's execute this. I am not going to explain the backend part. I will make in different video. So just I am showing how you can insert because this is the identity number. We have to save some data to the UI. So let's come here. I will make as a one post API here. Post API, this is the method which I am going to send now. So let's check. So these are the property which I have initialized. This is a student ID, name, and all, right? So from the UI, I am sending this data. Whether it will work. Yeah, that the table is got related from there. Let me create this one here to showing purpose. Just I am creating now. Okay, so now I will send this one to the backend. So the data is got saved successfully. If you'll go to this one, this table, because the configuration for this table for this database I have not used. I have to made some changes. The same table I have created here again. And now if you type select star from student in this table, here you can see the data is got entered over here. And here you can see I have sent it same data, whatever I have sent it. So now what I will do, I will type as m something, okay, and then I will remove some data and I will send it again. So now it is came over here. Here you can see these are the entries and I am setting the value over here. The name you can see, mobile number I am setting this one is Active Pro and it's gonna be successfully. And if you go to the DB now and select this query again, your data is got inserted with the second query. So here you can see the ID is getting generated uniquely. So that will always having a unique and whatever the data I am entering over here, these are the user data entry and is active always I am making as a true and false. Okay. Same thing if you want to filter, for example, what I will do to show you the update is active work over here, update table set is active 0 where student ID equal to 2. Okay, for the second entry, what I am doing, I'm just making as a 0 over here. Okay, so now if you'll select this query, here you can see the insert value is second row is active is 0. So from the postman, what I will do, I will try to get the data from the API. Okay, not sorry, get API having a different, yeah, this one. So now it is gone to the backend again. And if I'll execute this one, here you can see in the response, we having a only one entry. Why? Because I made as a logic, if the user having is active true, then show the data as you don't show in the UI. So here you can see. So for now, what I will do, I'll make as is active true again and I'll update this command. And now I will write as a select query. Here you can see the is active is true. So I will re-execute this one. I'll try to find the data from the backend. Here you can see there is a two record again. So this is the advantage to use as a is active. So the logic is written in the Visual Studio Code. So these things I have skipped to explain. So I will tell in the next video how you can do a complete setup in the Visual Studio and how you can connect your server to the with the help of SQL. Okay, everything is done, and even though many things I have done with the Ocelot now, here you can see the configuration with the local Ocelot. So whatever the API is running, here you can see these are the with the help of Ocelot only. Okay. I hope you have understand how you can create a backend table and how you can find the data, how you can save the data. So here you can see I have written a logic for the saving the data to the backend, and why I am not able to save the data for this one. Few configuration need to be changed because I have not done for the table for that database. Okay. So I have shown you the for the new table which I already have been created. So that is the similar. There is a no difference of it. Just I have to remove some code from the Visual Studio Code. That's also will work. Okay. Here only the issue is I have opened this command for the what you can do this database only users for demo. I need to be done. So that I will tell in the next video. So that's it for the day. If any queries is there, let me know. I will definitely help you out with this. Thank you so much. Bye.